to all three schools. First question, 10 seconds. What is the principal quantum number of the terminal level for the Lyman series? Yes, Isaac?
1.
Yes. Next question, 30 seconds. Light of wavelength 743 nanometers is incident from silicon nitride into air. The refractive index of silicon nitride is 2 at 743 nanometers. Find the minimum angle of incidence at which total internal reflection occurs. Yes, Thompson?
30 degrees.
You're right. Next question, 30 seconds. Determine the extension of a spring of spring constant 20 kilonewton per meter when it stores 100 joules of elastic potential energy. Yes, Thompson.
The extension is 5 times 10 exponents negative 3 meters.
That's incorrect. Gadasu.
0.1 meters.
You're right. 30 seconds. A radioactive substance has a half-life of 4.5 years. How long will it take the substance to lose 75% of its activity?
9 years.
Thompson.
9 years.
You're right. 30 seconds. Calculate the mass of NaOH that must be added to 400 centimeter cubed of 0.15 mole per decimeter cubed HCl solution in order to neutralize half of the acid. Atomic mass for sodium is 23.0, for oxygen is 16.0, and for hydrogen 1.0. Thompson.
1.2 grams.
You're right. An element X exists as triatomic molecules X3. If X has 2 natural isotopes, how many peaks will be observed in its mass spectrum? The spectrum is recorded such that there is no dissociation. Yes, Richard?
5.
No. Thompson?
6.
No. Joseph?
4.
Yes. Next set. 30 seconds for each of them. Express the numerical expression in the normal decimal notation. 7.586 times 10 raised to the power 8. Gadasu?
7.586 times 10 to the power 8 is equal to...
That's incorrect. Who
74.
rang next? Thompson?
758,600,000.
You're right. Given that alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, x squared plus 7x minus 5 is equal to 0. Find the value of alpha squared plus beta squared. Thompson?
39.
That's incorrect. Joseph?
59.
You're right. Evaluate the determinant of the matrix. It's a 2 by 2 matrix with elements 5, negative 3, 4, negative 2. Yes, which of you? Joseph?
2.
Yes. Last set of 3 questions, 10 seconds each. Which muscle in humans contracts to promote inhalation? Joseph.
The street muscles.
That's incorrect. Yes, Gadasu.
The intercostal muscles.
No.
It didn't ring.
You didn't ring. Then I continue the question for you. Contracts to promote inhalation and relaxes to promote exhalation.
The diaphragm.
Yes, Isaac.
The diaphragm.
Yes. To what are the presence of sunken stomata and the folding of leaves adapted? Yes, Richard.
Transpiration.
No. Yes, Thompson.
They are adapted for conditions where there is windy conditions in the area.
No. Reduction of water loss. Last question for the round. What is the importance of denitrification in aquatic bodies? Gadasu?
Denitrification reduces the amount of nitrogen and in so doing, there's nitrogen available in the waters which help to support aquatic.
No. What it does is it decontaminates aquatic systems by lowering nitrate levels, thereby preventing eutrophication. That's the end of the second round. At the end of the second round, Kwewu Ridge Senior High Technical School has 7 points. St. Peter's Senior High School has 9 points. Infant School has 24 points.